Hey everyone, and welcome back. Have you ever looked at a beautiful, shimmering pearl and wondered where it comes from? Is it magic? Is it some kind of hidden treasure? Well, the truth is even more fascinating. Today, we're diving deep into the ocean to uncover the incredible story of how pearls are formed. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll look at these gems in a whole new light. So, let's get started on the magical journey of pearls. It all begins with a tiny intruder. Imagine an oyster, peacefully living its life on the ocean floor. Suddenly, a small grain of sand, a parasite, or another foreign object slips inside its shell. This might seem like a minor annoyance, but for the oyster, it's a serious threat. The inner part of the mollusk, called the mantle, is extremely sensitive. To protect itself from this irritant, the oyster kicks its defense mechanism into high gear. This isn't just a simple reaction, it's the very first step in creating one of nature's most stunning jewels. The oyster can't just spit the intruder out, so it has to find another way to neutralize the threat. And that's where the real magic begins. Faced with this unwanted guest, the oyster starts to secrete a special substance called nacre. You might know it as mother of pearl. Nacre is a remarkable composite material made of microscopic crystals of calcium carbonate held together by an organic protein called concholine. The oyster meticulously coats the irritant with layer after layer of this iridescent substance. Think of it like building a protective, smooth prison around the intruder. Each layer is incredibly thin, often less than 1/1000th of a millimeter. This process is slow, deliberate, and continuous. As thousands of layers accumulate over time, they build up to form a smooth, spherical, and lustrous object. This beautiful, glowing orb is what we call a pearl. It's essentially a natural defense turned into a work of art. Now, creating something so beautiful doesn't happen overnight. Patience is key. For a natural pearl to form, it can take anywhere from 6 months to several years. The exact time depends on the type of mollusk, the water conditions, and the size of the initial irritant. The longer the pearl stays inside the oyster, the more layers of nacre it accumulates. This means it will not only grow larger, but also develop a deeper, more radiant luster. A pearl's value is determined by its size, shape, color, and shine, and all of these qualities are a direct result of the time and care the oyster puts into its creation. It's a testament to nature's slow and steady craftsmanship, turning a moment of irritation into years of beauty. Interestingly, not all pearls are created equal. The ones that form completely without human intervention are called natural pearls, and they are incredibly rare and valuable. Because of their scarcity, most pearls you see today are cultured pearls. This is a process where a pearl farmer intentionally introduces an irritant, usually a small bead or piece of mantle tissue, into the oyster to kickstart the nacre secreting process. We can also categorize pearls by their environment. Freshwater pearls are grown in mussels living in lakes, rivers, and ponds. They often come in a variety of shapes and colors. Saltwater pearls, on the other hand, are cultivated in oysters in the ocean. These include some of the most famous and sought-after types, like the classic white Akoya pearls from Japan, the large and luxurious South Sea pearls from Australia and the Philippines, and the stunningly dark Tahitian pearls. So, how do we get these gems from the water to our jewelry boxes? The process is called harvesting. Pearl farmers carefully monitor their oysters for months or even years. Once they believe a pearl is ready, they retrieve the oysters from their underwater farms. The oysters are gently opened and the pearls are carefully extracted. It's a delicate operation. After harvesting, the pearls are cleaned and then sorted. This grading process is crucial. Experts evaluate each pearl based on the 5 key virtues: luster, size, shape, color, and surface quality. The best ones are nearly flawless, with a deep, reflective shine. Some pearls might be polished or dyed to enhance their color, but the highest quality ones are beautiful just as they are. Finally, they're ready to be drilled and strung into necklaces, set into rings, or sold as individual treasures. From a tiny grain of sand to a breathtaking piece of jewelry, the journey of a pearl is a remarkable story of resilience and transformation. Each one is a tiny miracle, a symbol of how something beautiful can emerge from a moment of irritation. It's a collaboration between nature's defense mechanisms and the patient hand of time. So, the next time you see a pearl, remember the incredible journey it took. It's not just a gem. It's a story of survival and beauty, captured in countless layers of shimmering nacre. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of pearls. If you found this as fascinating as I do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure into the wonders of the natural world. And I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite type of pearl? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.